Welcome to SmartWave YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to get periodic element informations using Python codes. Now this Python code will be showing you how to do some of these things. Now before we dive straight into it, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please try and subscribe. You can see that we are growing very fast and all that. I have a video on a lot of things that will be of help to you guys. So I'll be using this editor called Google Colab. You can use any editor. Some of us try to use what's it called VS Code and other editors, but I'll be using Google Colab for this tutorial. So first of all, what you have to do is to install this library called periodic table. Now, if you have not installed it, so we just have to install pipe install periodic table, right? Hope I spelled it well. So let's run this. Okay, so it has finished installing. So the next thing you have to do is that let's import this library periodic table. Let me run this before I continue. Okay, so it's running. Now we have to define a function. Now this function is number one, to find the name of the element. When you type the name of the element, to find the name, to find the symbol, to find the number, and to find the mass of the element. Now what does this mean? When you type the number, when you type the symbol of the element, it will give you the number of their element in periodic table. It will give you this symbol, it will give you the mass of that element. So that's what this basically what the function is all about. So let's try to write a function def get underscore, let me use elements info, right? Okay, so here in this you have to pass an argument, get elements info, it's a symbol. So this next thing is to define our variable called elements, which equals to get attributes. We'll be using get attributes. Okay, with this, so having the get attribute periodic table symbol, and also let me pass another argument as none, right? Then this need to be out. So the next thing you have to do here is to write an if statement to get the number, the symbol, the mass, right? Then if element, this particular element, right? Then the next you have to do what you have to print. Okay, I think I'm having suggestion here. I'm using F format, that's F string format to format the string. Now I've thought about this F string, how to make use of it. If you have not watched it, now you can go through my YouTube videos and learn how to make different ways to make use of this F string to format, to use it for formatting your Python codes and all that. Then okay, we have the name, right? The element dot number, the element dot symbol, and the element. So we are calling this particular element to this place because we have to get these things from this particular periodic table. Then the next thing is this. Okay, print element not found. So if the symbol of the element that you printed are not found, print elements, not fun. So the next thing we have to do here is to write our input function, so that whenever we type, it can come out symbol input. Okay, so having the symbol equals to input, enter the element symbol, get element info. So we have to call these functions, so that anytime we put the symbol of the element, every other thing here will appear. So let's just run this and see what happens. Okay, we are getting this. Well, why is this like this? Okay, is there any problem here? Let me do this. Let me run it again. Very good. So identification problem. So you just have to take note of this. Let me test it with what's the symbol for sodium? See, Na. Not found. Let me run this. Na. Okay, so what happens is this. You must write one of this in a capital letter. So let me do this and see if it will actually recognize it without anyone you write, whether it's capital letter or small letter. Let me capitalize it. Dots capitalize, right? Let me initialize this. Let me rerun this and see what happens. Na. You can see by capitalizing this, when you type this in small letters, it will actually give you the answer. But when you remove this capitalization here, and run it, the first letter must be in this thing. So let's do this to be on a safer side, right? So Na. So this is when you type the symbol Na to give you the element. The element name is sodium. The atomic number in the periodic table is 11. The symbol, as you can see, is this, and the atomic weight is this, right? Let's rerun this. Let me AU. So in A you have the element, which is gold. The atomic number is 79. The symbol is AU, as we've typed already, and our atomic weight is what? 196. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.